Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin inside Capcut with the project open and the timeline visible. First, inspect each clip and audio track so you know what might need clearance. This helps prioritize checks. Next, go to Export or Project Settings to expose the music and sound options where copyright flags appear. As you do this, note files labeled as track from library versus imported, because built-in tracks usually carry licensing notes, while imports may require additional verification from the source. Once done with the quick scan, you perform a deeper verification. Select any audio clip and view its metadata to spot file names or source tags. This reveals origins and whether it's a Capcut licensed track. Make sure to search the original source or the track's license terms if unsure, because some library items are free for personal use only. If a clip is problematic, replace it immediately with a clearly licensed Capcut track or your own recording to prevent issues at export or platform upload. To finish, you export a short test file and upload it privately to the platform you intend to publish on. Platforms often show copyright warnings that Capcut misses. If a claim appears, use replacement, trim, or mute options inside Capcut and re-export, because small edits can remove flagged segments. Make sure to keep screenshots or receipts of any licenses and original source links, so you can contest wrongful claims quickly and prove permission if needed. This saves time and prevents takedowns.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.